Earlier this week, Houston resident Bieber announced plans for a Hurricane Harvey relief telethon. The charity event already boasts an impressive lineup with Beyoncé, Oprah, Jamie Foxx, Kelly Rowland, George Clooney, Matthew McConaughey, and more signing up to take part. TMZ reports that both Drake and Justin Bieber will also be involved in Hand in Hand, a benefit for Hurricane Harvey relief, which will take place on September 12 at 8 p.m. EST and air on ABC, CBS, and NBC. Drake previously pledged his support to the people of Texas, and Houston in particular, when Harvey first devastated the region. Bieber, meanwhile, hasn't performed since he pulled his Purpose tour in August. Get more information on Hand in Hand, a benefit for Hurricane Harvey relief here. The fader has reached out to reps for Drake and Justin Bieber. Guys, thanks for watching and please subscribe.